Okay, estudiantes, so we're going to learn about present tense of AR verbs. You already know that the infinitive forms of Spanish verbs always end in AR, ER, OR, IR. You didn't know about OR until today, but now you do. Okay, so these are infinitive forms of Spanish verbs. The equivalent in English would be to walk, to eat, to swim. They have the to in front of the word. The largest group of verbs end in AR or AR. Hablar is one of these verbs. AR verbs. Okay, AR. You will want to use verbs in ways other than the infinitive forms. You cannot always just use the infinitive. So we're going to learn how to conjugate. To do this, you will drop the AR ending to make the changes. Let's see what that looks like. To create the forms of AR verbs, you first drop the AR from the infinitive, leaving the stem. So hablar, you remove the AR and it just stays as habl. Then you add the verb endings o, as or as, and a. Amos, ais, or, and, to the stem. So you're going to add either one of these to the stem. This is the stem, okay? So here are the forms of hablar. Let's see what that looks like. Yo hablo. So you removed the AR and you included the yo. Yo hablo. Tú hablas. We're conjugating right now. So remember, this is a stem word, right? And you're just changing and adding the different, the beginning. You're going to change that. The pronoun. Okay? Usted habla. Él habla. Ella habla. Nosotros hablamos. Nosotras hablamos. It doesn't change whether it's male or female. Vosotros habláis. Vosotras habláis. Ustedes hablan. Ellos hablan. Ellas hablan. In Spanish, the present tense form of a verb can be translated into English in two ways. Hablo español. I speak Spanish. I am speaking Spanish. The verb endings always indicate who is doing the action. In this case, they will tell you who is speaking. Because of this, you can always use the verb without a subject. Hablo inglés. ¿Hablas español? Subject pronouns are often used for emphasis or clarification. So you don't always include the pronouns unless you want to emphasize something or clarify something. Ella habla inglés, pero él habla español. Ella habla inglés, pero él habla español. Yo hablo, tú hablas, usted, él, ella habla, nosotros, nosotras hablamos, vosotros, vosotras habláis, ustedes, ustedes, ellas hablan. ¿Ok? Gracias.